1. 1928 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $14,000, located, Antigo, Wisconsin. The 1928 Ford Hot Rod is a beautifully crafted traditional street rod that blends vintage styling with dependable V8 performance and modern driving comfort. Finished in vibrant yellow with a well-appointed brown interior, this unique custom build has been driven approximately 6,000 miles since completion and remains an excellent choice for cruising, car shows, or weekend road trips. The vehicle features a lightweight 1927 fiberglass body mounted on a professionally restored Model chassis equipped with a dropped front axle, front disc brakes, and a durable Ford 9-inch rear axle for improved handling and reliability. Power comes from a classic Mopar 318 Poly V8 engine fitted with factory dual 4-barrel carburetors, creating a distinctive appearance and impressive performance. The engine is paired with a push-button TorqueFlite automatic transmission that delivers smooth, effortless shifting while preserving the nostalgic driving experience. The seller notes that extensive documentation accompanies the build, reflecting the quality and attention invested throughout the project. Offered below its professional appraisal value, this traditional Ford Hot Rod represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking an affordable, professionally assembled custom with timeless American hot rod character, dependable mechanical components, and proven road manners that make every drive enjoyable. 2. 1923 T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $26,000, located, Tony, Alabama. The 1923 T-Bucket Hot Rod is a professionally assembled lightweight street rod built for exceptional acceleration, reliable performance, and classic hot rod styling. Presented in like-new condition, this custom machine is built on a Speedway chassis and weighs only approximately 1,720 pounds with all fluids, creating an outstanding power-to-weight ratio. Under the hood is a powerful 396 cubic inch stroker V8 equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, forged 10.5:1 compression pistons, a roller camshaft, single plane intake manifold, and a 950 brawler carburetor for excellent throttle response. The drivetrain features a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission connected to a GM 10-bolt rear axle with a Summit limited slip carrier, 4.11 Moser gears, heavy-duty axles, and a reinforced carrier girdle. Additional upgrades include Wilwood front disc brakes, GM rear disc brakes, tuned 2-inch headers, a high torque starter, Pertronix ignition, and a new harmonic balancer. Combining lightweight construction, outstanding craftsmanship, proven performance, and classic T-bucket styling, this hot rod is an excellent choice for cruising, local car shows, and weekend performance driving. 3. 1948 Ford F1 Hot Rod. Price, $30,000, located, Crown Point, Indiana. The 1948 Ford F1 Hot Rod is a beautifully restored classic pickup that combines vintage truck styling with dependable V8 performance and comfortable drivability. Finished in elegant black, this eye-catching custom has been driven approximately 12,184 miles and remains in excellent mechanical condition. Power comes from a reliable Ford 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, creating an enjoyable driving experience whether cruising through town or attending weekend car shows. The truck benefits from an older restoration that has been carefully maintained, preserving its timeless appearance while ensuring dependable performance on today's roads. According to the seller, the vehicle starts easily, drives exceptionally well, and consistently attracts attention wherever it goes. Its clean body lines, classic front grille, and unmistakable 1948 Ford styling make it a favorite among collectors and hot rod enthusiasts alike. Open to reasonable offers and possible trades, this Ford F1 represents an outstanding opportunity to own a dependable American classic that delivers charm, reliability, and lasting collector appeal. 4. 1927 Street Rod Pickup. Price, $24,500, located, Pickens, South Carolina. The 1927 Street Rod Pickup is a completely custom-built classic designed to deliver exceptional craftsmanship, eye-catching styling, and an exciting driving experience. Presented in like-new condition, this unique pickup has been built from the ground up using all new components with custom fabrication throughout the entire vehicle. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a street rod that stands apart from ordinary builds while maintaining the timeless appearance of a late 1920s American pickup. The seller describes the truck as absolutely beautiful and incredibly enjoyable to drive, making it an ideal choice for weekend cruising, local car shows, and automotive events. Built with attention to quality and detail, this custom pickup reflects countless hours of skilled workmanship and premium construction. Offered only because of multiple ongoing projects, this vehicle presents an excellent opportunity to purchase a completed build without the lengthy construction process. Combining classic styling, custom engineering, outstanding presentation, and proven road manners, this 1927 street rod pickup is an exceptional addition to any hot rod collection. 5. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $19,500, located, Topeka, Kansas. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod is a professionally built custom roadster offering modern performance wrapped in timeless hot rod styling. Finished in flat black with a matching black interior, this one-owner vehicle has been driven only 300 miles and remains in outstanding condition. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 crate engine rated at approximately 290 horsepower, complemented by MSD atomic electronic fuel injection, an MSD 6AL ignition system, and a Pro billet distributor for dependable performance. The drivetrain includes a TH350 automatic transmission with a 2000 stall converter, transmission cooler, deep pan, and locker shifter. Additional highlights include a Ford 8-inch limited slip rear axle, coil-over rear suspension, aluminum radiator, flaming river tilt steering column, autometer gauges, professionally installed American Auto-Wire electrical system, front disc brakes, and brand new performance tires. Built with quality components throughout, this T-Bucket is equally comfortable at cruise nights, classic car shows, or weekend drives. It represents an outstanding combination of modern reliability, traditional appearance, and enjoyable open-air motoring. 6. 1940 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $45,000, located, Salina, Kansas. The 1940 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed is an exceptionally powerful hot rod pickup built for enthusiasts seeking serious horsepower with street-legal capability. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this one-owner truck has accumulated only 500 miles since completion and carries a clean title. Under the hood is a massive 421 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine producing nearly 800 horsepower according to its most recent dyno session. The engine is paired with a TCI Powerglide automatic transmission equipped with a 3800 stall converter, trans brake, and line lock for maximum drag racing performance. Designed to operate on 115-octane race fuel, this truck delivers remarkable acceleration while remaining legal for street use. Combining custom engineering, outstanding performance, aggressive styling, and dependable mechanical components, this Chevrolet hot rod is equally at home at drag racing events, automotive exhibitions, or weekend cruises. It is an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking a professionally built American performance pickup. 7. 1926 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $15,500, located, Brookfield, Illinois. The 1926 Ford Hot Rod is a genuine steel body project that offers tremendous potential for collectors and experienced hot rod builders. This classic Ford has remained off the road since 1977 and retains its authentic steel body, making it an excellent foundation for restoration or customization. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 283 cubic inch V8 equipped with a desirable tri-power intake system and paired with a Borg-Warner T10 4-speed manual transmission. Although the vehicle is currently not running, the engine turns freely by hand, the cylinder heads are reported to be exceptionally clean, and the fuel tank remains in excellent condition. The car rolls easily and includes a clear Iowa title, simplifying ownership and future registration. With its vintage drivetrain, authentic body, and extensive restoration potential, this Ford hot rod provides an exciting opportunity for enthusiasts looking to complete a traditional American hot rod using quality original components. It is an outstanding project with significant long-term collector appeal. 8. 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $24,000, located, Loganville, Georgia. The 1923 Ford T-Bucket Hot Rod is a beautifully maintained custom roadster designed for dependable performance and enjoyable cruising. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, this attractive hot rod has been driven approximately 5,022 miles since its completion in 2008 and remains in very good condition. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging driving experience and excellent performance. The seller emphasizes that this is a turnkey vehicle requiring no additional work, allowing the next owner to simply get in and enjoy the open road. Built with quality craftsmanship throughout, the car offers the unmistakable appearance of a traditional T-bucket while incorporating dependable modern mechanical components. Whether attending hot rod gatherings, local cruise nights, or weekend road trips, this Ford delivers classic style, reliable performance, and unforgettable driving enjoyment. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a finished custom that is ready to drive immediately. 9. 1927 Dodge Brothers Hot Rod. Price, $35,000, located, Cedar, Michigan. The 1927 Dodge Brothers Hot Rod is a professionally finished custom build that combines vintage styling with modern performance and exceptional craftsmanship. Powered by a dependable Chevrolet 350 crate engine featuring electronic fuel injection, this impressive hot rod delivers smooth performance, dependable reliability, and effortless drivability. The beautifully finished exterior is complemented by a custom tan cloth interior accented with orange piping and a distinctive Ram logo embossed into the headliner. Additional custom touches include shaved door handles, bear claw remote-operated door locks, and numerous professionally fabricated details throughout the vehicle. Included with the sale is a matching custom trailer equipped with a reserve fuel tank, making transportation to car shows and events convenient and practical. Built to an exceptionally high standard, this Dodge Brothers Hot Rod is a true show-quality vehicle that attracts attention wherever it appears. Combining timeless styling, modern engineering, and premium craftsmanship, it is an outstanding addition to any custom hot rod collection. 10. 1940 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $20,000, located, Belton, South Carolina. The 1940 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed is a one-of-a-kind rat rod custom pickup built with exceptional attention to detail and impressive performance. Finished in black with a striking orange interior, this handcrafted truck has been driven approximately 550 miles since completion and features a powerful 383 cubic inch stroker engine with Dart cylinder heads and flat-top pistons. The drivetrain includes a turbo 350 automatic transmission, custom driveshaft, Detroit locker rear differential for link suspension, and coilover shocks for outstanding performance and handling. Additional upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, line lock, aluminum radiator with electric cooling fan, Gilmer belt drive system, LED lighting, Bluetooth audio system, removable steering wheel, custom frame, and brand new gauges. Built entirely by the seller, every major system has been carefully assembled for dependable operation. This unique rat rod delivers exceptional power, unmistakable styling, and outstanding craftsmanship that makes it perfect for cruising, exhibitions, and automotive events. 11. 1930 Ford Hot Rod. Price, $25,000, located, McBain, Michigan. The 1930 Ford Hot Rod is a beautifully restored American classic that combines traditional styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance. Finished in vibrant yellow with a black interior, this family-owned vehicle has been carefully maintained for more than 20 years and underwent a comprehensive restoration approximately 10 years ago. Power comes from a reliable small-block Chevrolet V8 fitted with performance headers and chambered exhaust, producing an unmistakable hot rod sound. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a stall converter for responsive acceleration and smooth cruising. Additional highlights include a chopped roof, full steel fenders, running boards, new battery, and recently installed fuel pump. According to the seller, the vehicle starts easily, runs exceptionally well, and provides a comfortable driving experience ideal for weekend cruising and classic car gatherings. Combining dependable mechanics, timeless styling, and proven reliability, this 1930 Ford Hot Rod represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors seeking a traditional American street rod. 12. 1932 Ford Other. Price, $18,000, located, Belgium, Wisconsin. The 1932 Ford Other is a professionally constructed hot rod roller providing an outstanding foundation for a custom performance build. Built by J.W. Rod Garage, this project includes a professionally fabricated chassis, fiberglass body, and a clear title, allowing the next owner to complete the vehicle according to personal preferences. The chassis features authentic 1932 frame rails, a Ford 9-inch rear axle, a high-quality Super Ride independent front suspension, Willwood performance brakes, hidden door latches, power windows, and provisions for electric door poppers. The vehicle also includes the hood, fenders, grille, fuel tank, rear axle assembly, and all glass needed to complete the exterior. Wiring has been started but remains unfinished, allowing complete customization during final assembly. The engine is sold separately, making this an ideal opportunity for builders wishing to install their preferred powertrain. Combining professional craftsmanship, premium components, and exceptional customization potential, this 1932 Ford provides an outstanding starting point for a world-class street rod or show-quality hot rod.